What if we just put a gate in the middle and just divide it?
Yeah. Pretty strawberries, Sissy. Is that one ready?
It has a little bit of white. Yeah.
It's not ready? Okay.
Yeah, it has a lot of white.
Welcome back to the kitchen, y'all. It's another beautiful day. The weather said that we were gonna have 6 days of rain, and it hasn't rained in, I think, 3 days now. I'm very happy that they were wrong about that. Let me grab the bananas. I know y'all seen the chocolate covered bananas. They sell them at I'm pretty sure they sell them at Dollywood and stuff like that, like theme parks and all. It's a frozen banana dipped in chocolate. They sell them at the stores. I think they're called Banana Babies or something like that. I could be completely wrong on that, but have you seen these? Reese's peanut butter chocolate covered bananas. I haven't tried those, but they sound great, so we're gonna make them. We're gonna do some homemade ones. We've got peanut butter, we've got bananas, we've got chocolate. And I'm gonna make some chocolate covered pineapple. So while we're getting the bananas ready, I'm gonna let these pineapple slices be drying. So I'm thinking that it's gonna be easier to do these bananas if we slice them and stick them in the freezer while I melt the chocolate and all. Then we'll dip them when they're a little bit frozen. You definitely wanna use fresh bananas for these. So these are still really yellow, a little bit green at the top. That's what you want. You don't wanna use really, really ripe bananas because they'll be too mushy. And these you do keep frozen. Even those little Reese's things, they're in the freezer section. I've never seen those before. It looked like they rolled their banana slice, like the outer edge of it, in peanut butter, and then that was dipped in chocolate, almost like they did the whole banana and then sliced it. We're not gonna do it that way. What I'm thinking is we're gonna slice the banana, put a little peanut butter in the middle, like a little banana peanut butter sandwich thing, then we'll dip that in the chocolate. That's how we're gonna try it. So first we'll slice the bananas. These will be really good for popsicle time later. Usually during the summer, every afternoon after we go outside for a little while, or the kids go out jumping on the trampoline or working in the garden, whatever we're doing, the mini garden, whatever we're doing out there, feeding everybody, cleaning stalls, cleaning chicken coops, whatever. Around 2 o'clock, it's popsicle time. And we all just stop what we're doing and sit on the porch and have a popsicle. So today we'll have some little frozen banana bites because they're gonna need to freeze for at least 3 hours. And it's not even 11 o'clock yet, so we'll have time. And I'm trying to decide, I don't want them to be too thick because like I said, we're gonna make like a little peanut butter sandwich with some of them, not all of them. I'm gonna toast some coconut. I wonder how toasted coconut would be in the air fryer. Coconut flakes. We'll just do air fry at 375. I'm gonna go 2 minutes and we'll see what it looks like. Back to the bananas. I don't know how many we're gonna need. We'll just slice them and see. I know at least 3. We'll go ahead and peel 3 of them. This one I'm gonna do for the peanut butter ones. We're gonna slice these pretty thin because I don't want them to be too thick, you know. I wonder if I should try to do the peanut butter part now or after they freeze for a few minutes. I think I'll do it now. That way, oh, let's check our coconut. 2 minutes flies by. Oh yeah, it's looking good. There we go, toasted coconut. I'm gonna take this peanut butter and put into this little, it's a tiny little bitty ketchup thing to take like for lunch or whatever. I'm gonna see if we can squeeze the peanut butter on here instead of having to spread it on. I think it'll work better that way. And I'll do a little test squeeze over here. Oh yeah, I think that's gonna be just right. We'll just squeeze a little bit on here and then put another banana slice on top. That's how we're gonna have it. Little peanut butter, chocolate covered peanut butter sandwiches. I got this little squeeze thing from Walmart. It came with a ketchup and mustard one. Now for these other 2, we're just gonna slice them And I'll do these a little bit thicker because we're just going to dip these straight into the chocolate. We'll just put these in the freezer while I melt the chocolate. And I'll go ahead and squeeze my pineapples a little bit drier too.
Hey, Mama. Do we have any pickles?
I think we have some pickles. You want a pickle? Pause for a milk break. There you go, sir. For the chocolate, we have, I'm pretty sure these are like 60% chocolate chips. So they're not super dark, but not milk chocolate either. But you can use whatever kind you want to use. So we've got the chocolate chips in there. I'm going to put a little bit of coconut oil. Just need about a teaspoon. It'll help the chocolate to be a little thinner when it melts, and it makes it shiny. So now we're just gonna heat it for 30-second intervals until it's all, you know, melted and really smooth. And I'll clean up in between that time. Okay, we're gonna put these back in the freezer. Whenever they all set up, we'll take them out then and we can put them into a bag or a bowl or something, and we just keep them stored in the freezer. I can't wait to try the peanut butter ones. I think those are gonna be great. I've got ground beef defrosting for some tacos. I'm gonna make some tacos for lunch. We'll have tacos and watermelon. This one had a lot of seeds, but it was a really good one. Titus got it from Walmart.
No.
Here comes Jonah. He wants to know if the tacos are ready. Not yet. The pineapple's really good. The peanut butter banana, it's great, y'all. It really tastes like ice cream. You got home just in time.
Just in time.
For popsicle time. Only today it's not popsicles. It's chocolate covered bananas
Oh, I got
and chocolate
some.
covered pineapple.
Mine's got little pecans.
Yeah, some of these have pecans too.
You know what that reminds me
A
of?
Klondike bar?
Yes.
I know that is. It's almost somehow that banana tastes like
What?
vanilla ice cream.
What in the world? That's good.
See y'all tomorrow.